The construction crew. Whee! Hey, construction crew, are you waiting to have something to do?
Uh-huh.
Good, because I think delivery truck is here with a special job. Oh, what's that, delivery truck? There's some new animals that can be delivered to Old Mctractor's farm?
Uh-huh.
Great, let's go there. But who do you think should do the job? Anyone who's able to carry something in their back?
Uh-huh.
Let's see who can do it. Excavator, bulldozer, or forklift. That's okay if you wish you had a trail that you could hook to your back. I'm sure that at some point, you too will have an important job just like them. Also, one of them will actually have to stay behind, because there's only 2 animals being delivered today. What's that, bulldozer? You'll stay behind? Oh, good idea. You and cement truck and dump truck can make a dirt castle.
Whee!
All right, let's go, forklift and excavator. Are these the animals you want them to deliver, Mr. Delivery Truck?
Yes.
Okay, hop on in the backs. Goat. Donkey. All right, let's go take them to the farm. What's that, Mr. Bulldozer? Do you want to know if they're on the way to the farm?
Yes.
I think they are on the way to farm. So let's go see them. Come on, dump truck and cement truck. Old Mctractor, guess what?
Whee!
You're gonna get 2 new animals today. In fact, I think they're about to get here right now. Silly forklift, where's your carrier? Whoops! There's the goat. Now let's see if Excavator's about to bring his animal. And here's the donkey. And here come bulldozer, dump truck, and cement truck. They want to see the new animals. Wowee! What a great day. You get to see the new animals.
Whee!
Oh, are you going to stay at the farm for a while? Have fun at the farm.